guys, this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to create avatar on Instagram app. Follow these steps and you will learn how to do it. Open your Instagram app on your mobile phone and log into your Instagram profile. Click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen, then click on the settings section, then go to account section, tap on the avatar section. Here you will be able to create your avatar, skin tone, color, hair, etc. So let me customize it further. Now I had just created my avatar, and after creating your avatar, select the done option at the top right corner of your screen, save changes, and your avatar is now ready. I hope this video will be helpful to create your avatar on Instagram app. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at Alphabet.